Hello. Okay. Hey y'all. It's Saahir. I am packing for a trip and I thought to bring y'all with me. I'm doing a little bit of a different recording setup today, so hopefully that y'all vibe with it. Let's see. I'm packing for San Antonio. We're doing a publication trip and yeah, we're going to be there for 3 days. And yeah, so let's get started. We are going for 3 days, 2 nights, and basically I need to pack 5 outfits. Actually, I'll wear 1, so I'll pack 4. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, my travel outfit I already have planned. I actually have all of my outfits planned on this little Notion document, not sponsored. But if you want to, Notion, hit my line. I also can't see myself because I'm recording on my actual camera, so hopefully this is in frame. Anyways, I already know what my travel day outfit is because it needs to be comfortable, something I can sit on a bus in and wear for a few hours, and then also our competition. So I do want us to look good. And I always go straight to this one piece of clothing in my closet when I want to do that. And it is these brown sweatpants. They're just wide leg sweatpants that I got from Walmart. They were literally $10. So I'm going to pack these. And then with that, again, another classic, I will grab my, where is it? Uniqlo Airism tee. This is just really simple and I love it so much. And yeah, so that's outfit 1. We'll do accessories and all of that later. I'm going to start checking things off. Then Saturday night, we need another outfit. This I'm going to try to go a little more upscale. And again, I have go-tos for that as well. This is a green textured t-shirt from Zara. I actually stole this from my brother. I love it so much. It's so nice. So I'm taking that, and then I'll wear it with my black baggy jeans from Hollister just to like casualify it, like make it a little more casual. So that is going to be my Saturday night. Okay, next we have classes the next day. So I want something, again, chill, casual, but still like elevated and classy and student-y. So I'm in between 2 different, oh wait, you can't see me probably. I'm in between 2 different shirts. Oh, this is not one. This is one of them. It's just a brown graphic tee. Or this one. I think I'm going to take both anyways. But yeah, just because I can wear both somewhere. And then I'll pair that with these brown Hollister cargo pants. If you couldn't tell, I wear a lot of Hollister. And then for the Sunday morning, in case it gets cold, I do want to pack a hoodie. So I'm actually going to pack I'm going to pack my green Lululemon hoodie. Low-key, I might wear that on the bus ride, but we'll see. Then Sunday night, I'm going to, again, I'm probably going to do another textured t-shirt with big pants. And I know the perfect outfit for that. This H&M blue textured tee. I'm going to wear this with my H&M carpenter pants. If you couldn't tell, I've already thought about this like a lot. Then Monday morning, we are doing something super fun. And I'm going to rewear some things. So I'm going to wear my black Uniqlo Airism that I wore on the first day. I'll wear that again on Monday with the black jeans that I'm taking. And I'm just going to throw this little quarter zip on top. And that's all of the clothes, surprisingly, like the main day clothes. I just need to pack undergarments and sleep clothes, actually. So based off the Uniqlo and other tee, whatever I don't wear, I'll just wear as a sleep shirt. So let me just grab one pair of like sweats or something. I'm just gonna take these tan sweats that are actually the matching ones to this. So those are the clothes. Let me get my suitcase out and then we can pack these and then we'll move on. Hi, I'm back. We are currently packing. I have all my clothes behind my bed right here. And I really hope it fits, because if it fits, I'm going to take it. If it doesn't, then that's a whole other issue in regards to what I'm going to drop and not take. But let's see. Okay, so I just finished packing. This is what it looks like. Oh, wait, is it zoomed in? I don't know. I just finished packing. This is what it looks like. And I'm now going to pack my little toiletry bag. Okay, we're in my bathroom now. I'm going to take just a few things because I don't think it's super necessary. I'm literally going for 3 days. Like, let's just get a grip, okay? So I'm just going to take this Bioma. Can you see this? Yeah. Bioma Moisturizing Gel Sunscreen. Sunbum Daily Gel Sunscreen. And then hyaluronic acid serum. Maybe this Curology moisturizer. And then contact lens solution for the contacts. But other than that, I'm just going to take contacts, toothbrush, like the basics. And I'm going to go pack that now. Okay. Now we're going to decide what tote bag to take. And I'm going to take one small crossbody as well. Let's see. Okay. I think, because it's a journalist convention, I think I'm going to take this and just be like, yeah. I'll take the School of New York Times and then my Bagoo bag. Okay. Yeah. And then I think I'm just going to wear my blazers the entire week because it works. Okay, cool. I'll just like record if I think of anything, I guess. I did not think of anything. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what is one packing essential that you have anytime you go anywhere. Like I think for me, like it would be a reusable water bottle for like my backpack. But I would love to know what y'all think. Again, make sure to comment that down below and stay tuned for my San Antonio vlog.